Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you the tutorial about this eye makeup look, and there is this myth or misunderstanding regarding this smoky eye makeup look is that it's very difficult and it takes a very longer time. Well, I am here to tell you guys that it did not take me to create this eye makeup look more than 2 to 5 minutes. Yes, only 2 to 5 minutes. And this is something that you can also create with just your kajal pencil as well. So as you can literally see on my eyes, I haven't used lots of shades to create this eye makeup. There are only two shades and I'm going to tell you how to create this in just 2 to 5 minutes. So if you want to know and want to try this, then stay tuned and continue watching my video.
Beats by Dallas, make it hurt.
Okay, so to understand better, I have come a little bit closer to the camera so you people can see exactly what I'm going to do on my eyes. So yeah, let's begin. So I'm going to start with applying a concealer on my eyelid. Why concealer before applying eyeshadow is because when you apply the concealer, the shade of your eyeshadow, whatever shade you apply, it's just going to pop out a little more, and it's going to the pigment is going to look much more darker in color. So that's the reason why applying the concealer really helps to brighten the shade and make the shade darker. So I'm going to start applying the concealer on my eyelids first. So before applying directly the black shade, we are going to start with applying the transition shade first. So I'm going to take the color in a little bit of brown shade, so as a transition shade. So here I'm using the round brush and going to spray a little bit with water to damp my brush a little bit, and going to take is this shade. If you can see, take a little on the brush and start applying it on your crease line. What is the crease line? Well, when you close your eyes, there is a gap in between. You can just understand it in the half circle. So that's what exactly is your crease line. So there is where I'm going to start applying my transitional shade here, and start with from the outer corner. So yeah. Yeah, so I've applied the transitional shade, and let's begin with applying our dark shade, that is our black shade, to start with our smoky eye look. So here I'm not going to directly go in and start applying the eyeshadow directly, black color eyeshadow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a kajal pencil and going to start spreading it over my eyelid and then blend it with the brush, and upon that I'm going to apply is the black color eyeshadow so it sets and sits properly. So begin with applying your kajal pencil on your eyelid. So here I go and apply it where I haven't applied my transitional shade, that is below your crease line. Okay, now as I have applied the kajal, I'm going to go in and take the brush and start blending it. I'm going to take is this very small round brush to blend my kajal above, and I'm not going to wet this brush, I'm just going to start blending. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm done blending with my kajal. The next thing I'm going to go in is and apply the black color eyeshadow upon that, so that it darkens a little bit more, and the eyeshadow, the kajal does not spread and it sits there and sets there properly. So I'm going to take a flat brush, that is this one, going to spray it a little bit with water and take the dark black color on the brush, and I'm not going to spread it, I'm just going to start dabbing it on the places where I have applied the kajal. So this way. Yeah, so you can just see that already my eyeshadow is all black and it looks different and complete, but it's not complete. We also have to blend it with our transitional shade so it does not look different as it's looking right now. So going to blend my transitional shade with the dark color eyeshadow that I have applied. So here again I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend my the transition color, and take the same transitional color on the brush and just start blending over it so it just looks complete and blended together and not different. So yeah, going to start blending it above. You can just see the difference in both my eyes. Like this one does look, there are two different shades, and this one looks blended properly with each other. So going to go in and do it here as well. Yeah, so done. And next what I'm going to do is going to take the same round brush that I used to blend the kajal that I have applied and just swing it down so to define my eyes with the same black color. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm all done with applying my black color eyeshadow and create my smoky eye look. I'm just going to go in and complete my eye makeup by just doing my eyebrows and mascara. So if you can just see that this look did not take more than 5 to 2 minutes, like literally 5 to 2 minutes to get it done, like this eye makeup look. Okay, just the eye makeup look, not the whole look. Of course, to create the whole look, it took me more than 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, it's not that difficult and it looks amazing. So even you guys should try it, and also let me know after you have tried this. So yeah, I hope you people like this look, and I hope that you people would try this. And yes, let me know by commenting down there below that how did it work with you guys. Okay everyone, so that's it for today. I hope you liked this video and today's tutorial. And if you really liked today's tutorial, then do like and share with your friends who would love to try this makeup look. And if you are new to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you do not miss any update regarding my upcoming makeup tutorials and also regarding me skincare routine and skincare. So yeah, that's it for today, and thank you to my subscribers who have already subscribed to my channel, and thank you to all my viewers who have watched this video. And yes, I hope to see you all soon in my next episode. Till then, stay safe, stay home, keep loving your skin and keep taking care of your skin as well. And bye bye.